After successfully verifying your identity with DocuSign ID Verification or ID Verification Premier, you may be able to create an identity wallet to simplify the identity verification process for future agreements. Identity Wallet can be enabled for the following configurations: DocuSign ID Verification with Liveness, DocuSign ID Verification for EU Advanced with Liveness, and DocuSign ID Verification for EU Qualified. The next time you need to verify your identity with the same identity verification method, you will be able to use your Identity Wallet and skip the ID document upload and face verification. To create an Identity Wallet, first, complete the relevant identity verification process. Once your identity has been verified, click Get Started to create your Identity Wallet. Grant your consent and log in to your DocuSign account. If you do not have a DocuSign account, a free account will be created for you, and you will need to choose a password. You need to create a DocuSign account in order to manage your Identity Wallet. Then, click Next and follow the prompts on your phone to create your passkey. Your Identity Wallet is now ready to be used. The next time you need to verify your identity with the same identity verification configuration, simply select Use Identity Wallet and follow the instructions to sign in using your device passkey. To view and manage your Identity Wallet, log into your DocuSign account, click your profile picture, and select Manage Profile. Then, click Identity Wallet. Review your wallet details, including when your wallet was created, your verified name, email address, and validity. Click the Actions menu to export the wallet data or delete it. Finally, please note that account administrators can control whether recipients can create and use an identity wallet for each identity verification configuration. To do so, they click the Admin tab, open the Identity Verification menu, and click Edit next to the relevant identity verification configuration. Then, they scroll down to Identity Wallet Settings and select the relevant checkboxes.